Welcome back guys to another cocktail video. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks. With St. Patrick's Day just around the corner, today I'll be showing you how to make 5 delicious, easy layered shots. Of course, perfect for a St. Patrick's Day party. They're all tasty, they're all delicious, really easy to make, they look amazing, and without further ado, let's make our 5 St. Patrick's Day shots. So the first shot is actually quite popular all around the world. It's called Baby Guinness because it looks like the famous beer. So we're going to start with coffee liquor, about 2/3 of your shot glass, and we're going to layer some Irish cream on top. And that's it, ladies and gents. Baby Guinness. Our second Irish shot is called the Nutty Irishman. Also really easy to make, 2 ingredients only, very delicious. We're going to start with Frangelico, 1/2 of your shot glass, and of course we're going to layer some Irish cream on top. What else? If you have nut allergies, be careful with this one. That's it, ladies and gents, Nutty Irishman. Third shot of the day is called the Irish Frog. Also really easy to make. We need 2 ingredients. First ingredient, melon liquor, green. Fill the half of your shot glass and layer some Irish cream, of course, on top. Be very, very careful. I've had different experiences with the melon liquors, you know. On some, Irish cream floats perfectly, on others, it just sinks to the bottom. Irish Frog. Now the fourth shot is called the Irish Flag shot. It's a 3 ingredient shot, all layered, very delicious, very tasty, and of course it looks amazing. So we're going to start with green mint liquor, about 1/3 of your shot glass. Maybe just a little bit more. Irish cream. That's it, 1/3 of your shot glass. And third ingredient is Marnier or any other orange liqueur, but it has to be orange. You can't use triple sec. Look at that, amazing. Irish Flag shot. And the 5th shot for your St. Patrick's Day party is called the Nutter. It's a 3 ingredient shot, everything's layered, it tastes great, it looks amazing. We're going to start with Frangelico, 1/3 of your shot glass. Second layer is Irish cream. And third layer is Shanky's whip. And Shanky's whip is actually a pretty good drink, pretty amazing. You can mix it with everything. That's it, ladies and gents, the Nutter. So here we are, 5 shots, perfect for a St. Patrick's Day party. We got Baby Guinness, Nutty Irishman, Irish Frog, Irish Flag, and the Nutter. All layered, all tasty, delicious, looking beautiful. What else could you wish for? And that's it, ladies and gents, we made 5 delicious shots. They look amazing, they taste amazing. If you like to play and experiment with your drinks, if you love to layer, experiment with layers, this is perfect. They all taste great, and I guarantee you, you will impress your friends with your layering techniques. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe. I wish you all a very happy St. Patrick's Day, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.